Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make V8, a healthy vegetable beverage. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a blender, we're going to start off by adding 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 celery, 3 tomatoes on the vine, 1.5 cups of beets, 1 cup of chopped spinach, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 1/4 cup chopped watercress, half a cup of chopped lettuce, 2 cups of water, we're going to blend this. You can drink it as is or you can strain it, which is what I did. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Whenever though they turn to face God as Moses did, God removes the veil and there they are, face to face. They suddenly recognize that God is a living, personal presence, not a piece of chiseled stone. And when God is personally present, a living spirit, that old constricting legislation is recognized as obsolete. We are free of it, all of us, nothing between us and God, our faces shining with the brightness of his face. And so we are transfigured, much like the Messiah, our lives gradually becoming brighter and more beautiful as God enters our lives and we become like him. 2 Corinthians 3 verse 16 to 18.